evening. Yeah man, it's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. Yeah man, today I'm gonna do you something very simple because I know Christmas is coming up. Okay, and enough of you wanted to know how to make coleslaw. You know, coleslaw is just really simple things to use and take around 5 minutes to make a coleslaw. Alright, simple coleslaw. So before we get into showing you how to make your coleslaw, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah man, and all the new subscriber them, you know, welcome to my channel. You know, it's a pleasure to have you a part of the Cook and Inspire family, guys. You know, it's been awesome. So let's jump right into the video now and show you how to do my coleslaw. And you can see my little Santa hat I've got here, you know, going on. It's Christmas, I'm in the Christmas spirit. Yeah man, so let me wash my hand, because you have to keep your hands clean, guys. Don't forget, you know. So first, we have a knife. Very sharp knife you're gonna use. You can also use a grater to shred your cabbage if you don't want to use a knife, if you're not skilled enough like me. Alright, so for me, I'm just gonna use my knife to go through it. And guys, be careful if you're gonna use a knife. Make sure you place your cabbage really good against your cutting board. Yeah, just barely thin shreds of cabbage going, your knife going through the cabbage. Make sure you find a good quality cabbage to use, guys. You know, yeah. See, this is what you're looking for, right? See how nicely and fine those been shredded. You know, you need a very sharp knife for that. This is a cabbage, so let me shred this cabbage up and I'll come back and show you what I want. So I'm going to use 3 cabbage, guys, and my shredder here. Let's grab a fork. Look, shred your carrot. One of the things that I love using to my coleslaw as well is a apple. That's what that apple does. It gives it a nice little zing to it. Yeah, there's a lot of things you can add to it, but I'm gonna keep it simple for now. Right, so let me grate this off and then come back and show you what's done. So now I'm gonna combine everything together, the carrot and the cabbage. And then wash carefully. And funny enough, you can eat this as it is as a salad. You know, try to combine the carrot and the cabbage together evenly. You know, so before you start to add your ingredient, that's it. So lovely that looks done. Alright, so there we are now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my mayonnaise. I'm using this brand, very good brand you can find. Not promoting any products, but the truth is the truth. So just keep adding your mayonnaise until you're pleased with the result you're seeing. You can see this one. It's a bit dry, but yeah, let's add a little bit more. A little bit more mayonnaise. That should do me. What I'll be doing, I'll be adding a small cans of sweet corn, and I'm using the Green Giant sweet corn. You know, I've been using that for years, and you know, it's the best sweet corn I've tasted so far. You know. I said I haven't got any apples, so what I'll be using, I'm using just maybe a tablespoon and a half of sugar, granulated sugar. Should get a nice little taste to it as well. Right, so let me show you what I'm going to be using now. I'll be using, you're going to need some some black pepper. That is so. Yeah, this thing now will work out alright. I'm gonna go on with it. Use a different black pepper. So a rock coarse, you know, not too much black pepper, guys. Just a little splash. I'm gonna be using just a little bit of Peri salt. And I'll be using some dry parsley leaf, guys. That's to give it a bit of color and some nice taste as well. You know, I'll add it as it goes along. Right, so combine everything together. So I've also got a little bit of bell peppers that I've chopped finely. Just a little bit of red bell pepper. You know, don't overdo it. A little bit more of parsley. See that nice? Yes. So let me finish mix this up and I'll come back and show you. So here we are. This is our coleslaw. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. So this is how it looks. Nice and creamy. See that? Let's put some in this cup. That's it, guys. Coleslaw. What now I like to do, just to break off a little leaf to decorate. I always decorate my stuff. This is it. Coleslaw, Chef Garnet style. Yes, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, and leave a comment in the comment section, guys. So this is it. Awesome Christmas salad. You know, can't have Christmas without coleslaw, or any gathering, dinner, or anything without coleslaw. That's what, baby. What you gotta say? So me talk to myself.
Yeah, talk to yourself.
And you can talk. Yeah, man. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you haven't seen this video before Christmas or after New Year. So yeah, man. It's Chef Garnet in and out the what?
In and out the kitchen.